I can't get up. My neck, my back.
Get up.
You guys, this challenge is an epic fail.
Yeah, they make me smile, they make me smile.
Carl Paul.
Hey, every day I'm chilling with my family. I'ma always kick it with my fam. Hey, they always show me love cause that's my family. My family. Petting squad, yeah we go hard. 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 Yeah we go hard for the family.
What up, Pantheon? Gang, it's your boy Don checking in with a new challenge on the way. Snowy gotta introduce herself. What's up? What's your name? Okay, alright, so we got you. So Snowy's here. We got Big Head, beautiful.
Yeah.
And we got Louie in the house, you dig? We got the Queen right here. And Handsome. And we got Snowy again. She always gotta be on camera. Anyways, you guys, we got a lit challenge on the way right now, man. The kids wanted to do this challenge. They told me and Bae about it. So I was like, alright, let's do it. Let's do it, Bae. You gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm down.
Yeah, you wanna talk about the challenge? Let Louie loose. Let him free.
Well, today we're gonna be doing handcuffs to each other for 24 hours.
Not 24 hours. It's the last one to leave the handcuffs wins $5,000. So guys, I bought these handcuffs earlier today. These are easy to get out of, so no one will be trapped in this. So all we basically gonna do is we're gonna be handcuffed to one another, man. See who can last the longest out of us. Who y'all think is the most annoying panting person is? Who y'all think it is?
DJ.
Louie not gonna be handcuffed, so Yaya said DJ.
Annoying, but it's...
You're annoying, DJ, so you know it. What the? Y'all just let Louie go.
He keeps trying to bite Snowy.
Snowy just keeps trying to belt.
Alright, babe, who do you think is the most annoyingest?
I said it, Louis. Yeah, don't do that.
You can tell how
This
Snowy...
house is like a zoo.
What the? Alright, so we already know Louie cannot be handcuffed to Snowy because they will not make it, bro. Like,
I literally let him go each other.
I think they really miss each other, though. But anyways, guys, we gotta get this challenge started. That's what y'all came for. So before we start the video, y'all make sure y'all drop a comment. Pick y'all the person who y'all think is gonna win, which is Team Don. So y'all make sure y'all drop that down below. What's your team name, babe?
Team Melinda.
Team Recon Expert. Team Yaya.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna see a lot of Team Dons in it. Whoa! Alright, so let's put Louie up there, cause we thought he could handle this challenge, but he's too hyper. And Snowy just be trying to chill, and Louie be trying to like just.
He's biting her.
Have fun out there. That's how they play, though.
All right, you guys. So we're gonna start putting on the handcuffs. So we're all gonna be together.
Yeah, we're all gonna be.
So Yaya and DJ are together. So who y'all think is gonna be able to last the longest with the person they're with?
Me.
You are?
Yeah.
Babe, you think you're gonna win $5,000?
I don't know, cause Yaya's kind of annoying.
But we're all gonna be together, and like, what about? God bless you. Yeah, she didn't even cover her mouth. We don't want your germs.
On my leg.
Really? Yeah. What about if someone has to use the bathroom?
I think I got a poop.
Ew, I would definitely.
No, then can I go on that side?
No.
Yeah, I'll have to go in the bathroom.
No, we can wait out.
All right, so y'all gotta put me and DJ now.
Oh! Yeah. Guys, get up.
No, DJ right there.
I know, but I'm...
Yeah, this would have been so much better if we had like a cameraman.
DJ.
Babe, we need a cameraman.
Yeah, guys, if y'all a dope camera video person, let us know in the comments.
Guys.
We
Why
get
did
some-
you make it so tight? No, this is too
This
tight.
one's too tight.
This one.
Yeah, why you made it so tight?
I don't think
we
it's
wanna
tight.
have a fur.
The challenge has officially started.
Should I be handcuffed? Ow, you gonna break my arm.
Y'all can't pull each other because y'all can hurt each other.
What happens if we all jump in the pool together?
Alright, let's see. Can you do the Orange Justice? Can we all do Orange Justice?
Alright, babe, to make this more interesting, I want you to tie yourself together.
What?
Yeah.
You should do our feet.
We don't have enough.
So should I still be tied to Yaya then?
Yeah.
Why am I be like this?
Okay, guys, let's go.
Hold on, sorry.
Follow the Lisa, follow the Lisa.
Ow, ow, you about to break my hand? You about to break my hand? Why are we coming out here? Ow. Y'all come in the mirror. Let's show them us. Y'all look at us in this mirror. Looking like cuckoos.
I still don't understand why I got handcuffs like this.
Everyone try and hit the whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no.
How would our jail picture look like? Our mug shots. I'll be like,
Let's see your mugshot. Look at the camera. Do it for the camera. Let's see Yaya's mugshot.
I didn't do it.
You did it. Whatever they said he did, he did.
Y'all drop a comment down below for each one of us if we were in jail, what y'all think we did to get in there.
Well, I wouldn't be in jail because I'm an outstanding citizen.
That is not my real picture. My picture would be like.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My hand hurt.
I ain't gonna lie. This is fun.
I
ain't gonna lie. Let's all do the word. Right? No. You start. No.
I can because I have two handcuffs.
Yeah, you
for
remember
no
when
reason.
you remember when I did it and my lips started bleeding?
What?
No, this. Oh, that.
What is he? How did your lips start bleeding?
Because you remember doing that video and me sat looking at my drip.
DJ, you really hurting my hand. It hurts so bad. It's like cutting me.
Follow me.
Hold on, stop. Yeah, stop. Hold on.
Let's all ride the ATV.
Listen, you can't
How we
pull
gonna ride the ATV?
my thing like that because you're gonna hurt my wrist.
Follow me.
You got, I don't know why I have two handcuffs on.
Please follow me.
No, we not following you. You don't know the way.
Come with me, guys. Just follow me real quick.
Oh my gosh.
I think he's
Watch
gonna
your
lock
step.
us in the room.
Huh?
I think he has his
How am I
back.
gonna lock you?
No!
Shout out to YouTube. Look at our million plat. Hey, y'all see that?
You
Hey.
about to be at 2 million, but come, I got you to back.
No.
Oh my gosh. No. 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 No.
Yeah.
No. No.
I'm
No.
gonna wait. My hand
No.
you want me on the toilet?
No. No. Pull him away. Pull him.
How did it come out? Yaya pulled it off. She pulled it off.
So you and Yaya out.
No, she pulled it off.
You don't need this one.
Who's out?
Yaya.
No, I'm not.
You pulled it off.
I didn't.
Alright, should Yaya be out or no?
No, I just started.
Babe, take this off. I'm gonna be out. It's hurting.
No, don't.
Ow! Ow!
Right,
Ow!
stop.
Take it off.
Yeah. You guys, I'm out. I'm sorry.
Now we can do our feet.
I'm out. Alright, you guys. So all the Team Melindas in the comments, I'm so sorry. I disappointed you guys. Like, I know you guys were like disappointed in me. I had to come out because I have like a little bruise starting. That's how much it hurt. I do not like handcuffs. I don't like anything handcuffed to myself. I did not last. I'm sorry. But the next challenge, I will survive, you guys. So they're not doing the legs because daddy feet too big.
Y'all stand up.
Yaya
It's too crazy.
Yaya is the only one that's gonna do the legs. Why, ma'am? Why?
No, don't do it because if you fall, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna fall.
So this.
Everybody follow me.
See?
Hold on, you hurting my wrist.
Yeah, it hurts so bad, you guys.
Y'all that hand's so skinny. My hand's not.
Yeah, that's why I was saying. Babe,
Hold on, stop.
Babe, you see the bruise? You see the bruise that I'm getting? I don't know if y'all can see it, but I do have a bruise. Take it off, y'all. Snowy looking at me like my family is so crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, stop. Hold on. Guys, when we move, we need to move unified together, not just let's go and then.
Teamwork make the dream
Hold
work.
on, stop. Where we going?
No, we're not playing soccer.
No,
Let's go on the
stop
trampoline.
pulling so hard.
Sorry.
Dang.
Let's go on the trampoline.
No, we're not going on the track.
No, don't go outside. Do y'all want to see? Huh?
Can we color?
How y'all gonna color? Y'all only got one hand. It's not that hard.
I got one.
Rip the pie. Hold on. We could probably do a circle now, but geez, I got mine so tight.
Oh, there's the other handcuff.
Hold on. Everything you doing is you moving like your whole hand. It's really hurting my wrist. I'm trying to win.
All right, you guys. So we're trying to get the other handcuff because they want to make a circle.
No.
They want to make a circle.
We can make a circle like this.
Ready to get this for us?
No, y'all gotta get it. I'm just a camera woman.
Alright, yeah, you need to calm down. You moving so fast. Stop. You putting it way too tight.
Come, DJ. DJ.
It's too tight, babe. You guys, comment down below if y'all ever been in handcuffs before.
For what reason, too?
Oh yeah, y'all wants to know why. Y'all look like ring around the rosy, ashes full of posy. Okay, let's do ring around the rosy. Let's see who can survive. Wait, come over here. Over here, you guys. Come on. No. You guys, listen. We're gonna do ring around the posy. Ring around the, whatever. I'm old, I forgot. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy, ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Oh, y'all get up, my hands.
All right, we're gonna do it one more time.
No, I'm too busy.
Yeah, come on. You ain't even do it, old man. Ring around the rosy.
Hold on, DJ.
Hold on.
Get up.
DJ, do you just want to get out?
All right, ring around the rosy, ashes.
I'm not going to take it out.
Okay, ring around the rosy, ashes full of posy. We all fall down. You're tired?
No, don't step on me.
Guys, you guys gonna let us dance for TikTok? No.
Yeah.
So, no. Ready?
Try to dance. What dance is that?
Ow! Stop!
Oh, y'all hurting everybody.
Stop.
Why everybody getting hurt but her?
Because the skinniest hand, and she got hers loose.
No, it's not.
It's tight. And she's doing moving, so she know what she's doing.
You guys are not moving. Now it's tight. This doesn't even hurt. You guys are just
Alright, can we just go to
babies.
sleep for a little bit?
Yeah. Where are we all gonna sleep? Let's go to your bed then. Yeah. Ow! Ow! Where is the blanket? Oh, stop.
Can we do like a pillow fight then?
Yes! Yes!
Huh?
I'm stuck!
Hold on, how y'all gonna move like that?
God, get
I told y'all we have to move unified together.
Well, we can't.
Hold on, DJ Hearn. Yeah.
Oh my, you guys, this challenge was an epic fail.
Get up!
I can't get up. My neck, my back.
Get up!
You guys, this challenge is an epic fail.
Oh, hold on, I hurt my wrist, dog.
Ow.
I have to go to the doctor now. Sit up, DJ.
Get up!
My hand is really... Alright, get out, Yaya, get out.
No.
Ow, hold on, you're moving too much.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Alright, I'm out. Oh, look at my hand.
Oh dang. See,
Look at my hand.
This is the bruises I had. Look at Snowy, how she looking at y'all.
I'm out.
No, take this one off.
So Deej, who you think gonna win out of you and Yaya?
Me, but not
What you doing?
Alright, you guys, we're gonna see who's gonna win.
So they want to eat cereal. I'm out, man. I really wanted to win this challenge because I could use the 5,000. But the kids have a chance to win. So I'll just take some of their money. Can I take some of your money?
No, I want. Stop!
What happened? What y'all doing? Yaya, stop pulling him. Don't pull him for real, because you're going to hurt his wrist.
DJ, stop. DJ, turn
Yaya, you won't believe who just called you.
Who?
You won't believe it. Come get your phone. I'm gonna call that boy.
No, stop running. Stop.
Mom.
You're out, Yaya?
Okay. You want your phone?
No, I'm thirsty.
Okay, let me call.
No! Bye, I'll take that.
Let me call
Who's face? What are y'all talking about? Why am I clueless? Alright, so dang, so DJ won?
DJ won.
Look at my wrist.
Let me see. Oh, poor baby. DJ, you won.
Nothing on my wrist.
Hey, DJ won. Look at Yaya. You so into your phone.
No, I'm thirsty.
Congratulations, DJ.
Alright, so DJ, his wrist is so good.
Oh, you didn't get no bruises?
Yeah, but that was the most like, ow, ow. Yeah, you were hurting me.
Would y'all ever do this again? I know part 2.
I don't want to get arrested for anything, so I ain't doing nothing illegal. I'm gonna make sure my hands is clean.
DJ, I'm about to arrest you for going up here.
What?
What are you doing up there?
I want you guys to throw me.
Sorry, why do you have to?
You want to go in the
I
pool?
don't get. So I pour a soda can into a cup, water bottle into a cup.
Why?
Why you gotta do all that?
And then she has 50 waters a day. Why?
Being healthy.
I'm being
No,
healthy.
DJ, don't grab on the sink.
Get down. Okay, DJ, you're going to be disqualified for breaking the
I'ma
rules
just
since
take
you
your
up
money
there.
then, DJ.
What?
I'ma
Get
take
down.
$5,000.
Get down. So, DJ, you going to share with mommy?
No, I'm just gonna use the normal V-Bucks. I'm not gonna share it.
You're not going to share? You're not going to share with nobody?
How you gonna spend $5,000 on people?
DJ, really smart thinking.
Save your money.
You save your money. You never know, you might need it for a rainy day. Well, that's why whenever they win these challenges, we put the money straight in their savings account. So,
Really won, though. Did y'all really think he was gonna win?
No,
I really
he
wanted
didn't
to
really
win this
win.
challenge.
Yeah, but that was being so annoying.
She kept pulling my wrist. My wrist is still hurting right now, man.
Yeah, my wrist is
Yeah, look at, they can't see this.
You got, is that a bruise, babe? You got
Yeah.
a bruise.
Where? This?
I got a couple of bruises. So, you guys, what do y'all think about this challenge?
It was not. It was crazy. Yeah, it was crazy in a bad way.
Snowy, you gonna do it next with Louie. You down? Yeah, you think we should make Louie and Snowy do it?
Yes.
You think we should do Louie and Snowy?
Yeah, but they'll even be
You can just put them in the same cage.
And they'll go crazy.
Man, anyways, you guys, we thank y'all for tuning in, man. Y'all get us to 2 million subscribers. We almost there. We at 1.8. We appreciate y'all. We appreciate the support. Put God first, man. Y'all got anything to say? Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
Follow my Instagram, the real DJ Phantom _ and add me on Fortnite, DJ Phantom.
You got a lot of handlings, like a lot of stuff, DJ. But we signing out. We love you guys. Peace.